Hey you guys, it's me, Angela here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're still tuning in, thank you so much for doing so. Today, I'm going to be doing a brand new video I have not done ever before. For the first time ever, I'm going to be doing nothing but the kitchen sink food makeup challenge. I do not have much treats or anything like that, but trust me, you guys better watch because this is something that you don't want to miss. So the very first thing that I'm going to do, of course, the first step is the foundation, right? So, of course, look at that. It's like looking into the mirror, people. Look at that. This isn't my perfect shade, but look at that. It doesn't always have to be natural beauty, you guys. Just look at this. It is like butter melting onto your face. If you want an afternoon snack, just spread that all over. My friend, come on. I'm not afraid to get my face dirty, okay? It's like I'm putting on a mud mask, people. A mud mask. And I am so willing to do one right now. Oh my gosh. This is so much fun. This is so much fun, you guys. I wish that you guys can do this with me. This is so much fun. Woo! Okay. Now that I've done that, of course, what comes next is the eyes. And of course, this is almond butter. I know people will say that people prefer peanut butter over this, but trust me, oh my gosh, it is raining peanut butter, my friends. It is raining peanut butter. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Oh my gosh. It's like I'm doing my own makeup, but without looking into the mirror. Like, look at this. I'm basically almost, if this was my makeup every day, I'd be like, boom, that is me done. All right. Perfect. And you know that peanut butter, oh my gosh, it's so sad being by itself, you know? Good thing I got the jelly. Haha. Hey. I'm making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, guys, but on my face. Oh my gosh. Look at that. If you want a glazed donut, this is the glazed donut, my friend. A glazed PB&J donut. Haha. I know food can get really messy sometimes, you know, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfectionist when it comes to food. You know, when you're a chef, of course, everything has to be perfect. But for makeup people, it does not have to be. I'm a human peanut butter and jelly sandwich, guys. I am being excited. And spice it up. I got some nutmeg. Hold on. I need to dry off my hands so I can get this open. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like I'm creating a new recipe, people. Look at that. It's just so beautiful. Don't even worry about making a mess. Like, seriously. Guys, this is next level, my friend. Look at that. Voila. I don't have much trinkets up here, but there's plenty up more of my sleeves later on during this channel. So if you like this, there's more going to happen. And of course, people, you have to have a lip. You have to have a lip. Look at that. The glossy strawberry. That, my friend, it's one big food fight, but it's worth it because it's nothing but the kitchen sink in here. And even though it looks messy, I'm willing to get my hands dirty. So please come and join me. The next time I do this, okay? I had lots of fun doing this, throwing food in my face, but I hope you guys enjoy this entertainment because it is worth it, because I would do it again and again and again. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I'm so glad to be making these videos for all of you guys. I hope you have a good night, afternoon, day, wherever you are in the world. And don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe. Bye.